Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another episode of Samplin' Samples Sundays. This series is where I wear a scent as much as the little sample lets me. It is my scent in a day today, and I'm going to give you as much detail as I can and give you my final thoughts on if I'll be buying this particular release. Am I going to be getting another sample, or simply this is the end of the road for this scent? Today's sample is from Lucky Scent. You know we love these little dabbers. And I'll be testing WonderOud by Comme de Garçons. I'll be unboxing my WonderOud bottle tomorrow, so keep it tuned in. But today, let's sniff out the newer Wonder Twin called WonderOud. Now let's go under the hood. Let's take a look at some stats on this one. It was released back in 2014, Concentrations Eau de Parfum, and the nose behind this is Antoine Maison-Dieu, a highly rated nose in my books. Now, the major notes to my nose for this particular release were sandalwood. It is very heavy in sandalwood. Cedarwood, so you're getting a lot of woods, but you're not getting the oud that they're saying on the sticker here. And thirdly, I got vetiver. So let's delve into this. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is my scent of the day, but I still have a little bit left. I always like to leave just a little bit left for the video to remind me of the introduction, to drain my Lucky Scent sample. So right off the bat, WonderOud comes out the gate with a creamy, soft, woody base. Of course, that sandalwood is coming out. I smell tons of sandalwood here as the base of the scent. Some black pepper to give it a peppery kick. Off the bat, and to no surprise to me, there is no real oud quality here off the top. It's not a major factor, but I do get, upon first sniff, and I had this last time I wore this, is that it gives me a mildly cheesy quality, which is lurking around with a leathery tone, adding some muskiness to the backbone of this release, which could be that oud, but it's very thin, and it's in and out a little bit. That cheesy quality is just upon first sniff. Like, I do sniff it a little bit here, but it's not a major factor. Now, this opening has a huge woody base though. To my nose, the sandalwood is your number one. It prevails. I did detect some cedarwood here, giving its familiar Home Depot-like feel. And I do get some rooty vetiver also in this opening. In the heart of the scent is where, again, I was searching more for an oud base, but honestly, the only thing I found in the dry down that there was more of a dustiness to this release, an incense like very light, smoky air backing the woods here. The vetiver, the patchouli are here. They amp up quite a bit from the opening and made themselves more primary notes and gave WonderOud some earthiness and some green aspects that I've detected. Some cypress gives you yet another green aspect here too. The woody tones in the backbone of this release start dissipating one by one in this dry down, so it's starting to peel a little bit of layers, which thins out the scent quite a bit in this dry down, so you're going to lose a lot of oomph from the opening. It's a very dry scent, and it's woody as per the name. It did not change much from the opening, so it's fairly linear as a scent. When you get up top is what you're gonna get more into the dry down. I would say once you get into the heart of this release is what you're gonna be getting. There's a little bit of different nuances here and there. The thing I like about this scent is how the woods do mix very well with each other and make a subtle woody scent. There is a lot of that out there. There's a lot of strong, Gaiac wood scents, sandalwood scents, cedarwood scents out there. So the world is your oyster, but this is, again, one of them, but it's very well constructed. Now let's get into seasons, day, night, versatility, and performance. Let's start it off with seasons. I feel like this release does better in the fall and winter months and the start of spring. I feel like the versatility as far as wearing a woody scent, this one's not big and bold. I've had some wood-based scents that are very thick. This one has a thinness to it, which is nice. It makes it a little more versatile. Day or night, I feel like I can wear this either one, but more of a nighttime scent. Versatility, again, I've said it, it's average. It's really good for a wood-based scent, but fairly average as a whole. Performance, longevity was 7 to 9 hours, which is pretty good with average projections. So at the end of the day, as far as those stats go, very average as far as versatility, performance, and all that. At the end of the day, WonderOud will most likely disappoint anyone looking for true blue oud based scent. If you're coming into this and going, okay, I'm gonna sample 10 oud based scents, I wouldn't recommend this as one of those as far as the niche or designer realm, which I think is a fairly fair statement to say. However, this scent is not a pass because of that. It's a very decent woody scent. The cedar, the sandalwood combo shine here. Some green aspects, of course, with the vetiver, patchouli, and cypress. There's some interesting items here that do come in and out of the scent, like that cheesy quality that I get from up top. You know, I got it on the few wearings here that this little sample gave me. So I'm looking forward to testing it more and more and see where that goes. And some smoky aspects in the backbone of the fragrance. So some drawbacks that could come into play is it's fairly linear as a scent depending on what you want. It is a soft scent as far as the woods go, but it's well balanced, which is a plus, and it is very much a authentic woody scent, which is contrary to what the brand is known for. They're known for, of course, their synthetics, off the wall type of scents. This is not in that realm. It really does smell like cedarwood, sandalwood. Maison Dieu did a really good job with the woods here, and I do have a full bottle that I have to unbox. It's in the melange somewhere in there. So in the next coming months, I'm gonna be unboxing a big bottle of this, and I'm looking forward to testing out the little nuances that I might have caught on this sample that I think I'm gonna get more once I have my full bottle. Now, if I had to give it a full score, which I always do on sampling samples, out of 10, I would give this fragrance 8 bottles out of 10. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.